Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can center align elements and components in your screens on the Uizard designer. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to your project in the Uizard editor. Select the screen by clicking into screen C to the right, select it. And now guys, left click into the component. Now there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you navigate to design here and choose one of these alignments. Align components to the left, to the center, right. So choose your option here. Alternately, you may use guidelines for orientation. So if I left click into the component and move it along or across the canvas or screen, you will see these blue lines for orientation, right? So if I position it somewhere here, right. Let me just remove that menu here. There it is. So it's exactly in the center. You see that vertical and horizontal blue line. That's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.